And I'm actually surprised that I'm not actually tired. I see girls do skincare routine. This is water, right? Water, that's it. Welcome to my skincare routine. Have you ever woke up so early in the morning that you just feel like you don't want to get up out of bed? That's what happened to me this morning. You see, I don't have a problem as it regards to waking up early, you know. But the thing is for me is that if I wake up early, what am I going to do within 4 hours? 4 hours is a lot of time. I want to exercise, but I'm lazy, bro. Alright, on today's menu, we have what I like to call the toasty butter. Something simple, not too hard. It's easy to produce. The requirements we're going to use to make this meal is a knife, plate, bread, and a toaster. Right, the toaster over this. How many slices of bread you want in the toaster? For the purpose of a normal person, I'll be using 2 slices of bread. So let's put this in the toaster. All you need is your peanut butter. You just place it on your bread. And what this does when it's toast is that when the peanut butter is on the bread, just because the bread is toast, peanut butter tends to melt. Come on! Welcome back to another day. I failed yesterday. You're wondering why I skipped from Tuesday to Thursday. I woke up 5 o'clock. Life happens, long story short. I'm trying to be as energetic as possible. You know, I don't know the vibes. I'm too fast for you. I would recommend this challenge to you. You don't have to be a YouTuber or anything that has to do with social media. You can do it in your personal space. If you are a person that always have sleeping problem, that when night comes you can't sleep, this challenge is for you. Waking up early in the morning, it helps you to sleep earlier in the night. So when night comes, you know? Yeah. So I would recommend this challenge to you. Anybody can try this challenge. It's a fun challenge. I know your problem with a shot, no? Man, no matter what I do, I try a lot. I try. I can't make long videos. Why? Me don't know. Me don't know. It's short, but nice, no? Because I made it to the end of the video. I made it to the end of the video. Next video soon come. I'm out for now. Peace.